Welcome. If you want to connect printer to your LG K51s, for the first you have to go for the settings, tap on the connected devices and tap on the printing. Right now use the default print service, and here's our printer that connects automatically to our smartphone. There's the HP Color LaserJet Pro, but if you have any problems and your smartphone cannot find and cannot connect with your printer, you have to go back, click on Add Service, and then just download plugin from the Play Store. Then when you go back here, you will get the print service from your company of your printer, for example the Brother print service, and that's how it looks. And if you want to print something, I'm going to show you how you can do this. So there's the picture that I want to print, for example. So click here, right upper corner, select print, tap on the select printer, select your printer, and right now all you have to do is just to click on this icon. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.